cast it, it flew over there. I have to cast my hand.
Yes. Can't put no wind up under it. You see that tree up there right behind that, right? At
Yeah.
40 feet.
Yeah, I decided not to look at it.
Well,
I seen it a little bit. So.
yeah. Those are, I stopped here because this is a smaller scoop. What you keeping today?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Oh, you heard me. Yeah. Yeah. What's going on?
That's about 4 or 5 big Shirleys already. We're gonna catch it.
Yes,
we're gonna
sir.
catch a double, then we're gonna do the intro with all this wind.
What you looking for?
What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that ends in Y. It's windy too, and windy ends in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I'm out here on Lake Oconee with the man, Big Play Ray.
Yippee!
We are going to see. The last time we come out here, we put a really good hurting on them. We caught over 70 some odd fish, and you know, we kept a 2-man limit. And we're gonna see if we can do the same thing that we did back there again today. So, folks, as always, thanks for watching. Hey, if you haven't already done so, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you get notified when I post new videos. So, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them.
In case y'all didn't know, them buttons is right here, down here, and over here, because we gonna go get them. As long as they see it.
I ain't trying to bite it, right?
Ooh, I barely had him. Oh, paper mouth. Hey, that little buddy.
Uh-oh. Did you show that off to the camera?
I think so. I'm in front of the camera. Well, if I didn't, it looked like one of the ones that he caught. Got that last little straggler. Coming up here, straggler. Guardrails up. Never thought I'd see the day when I say you need to put some rocks in your pockets.
Back a little bit. Back up.
Still excited to come play with us. With us.
taped up, you know. Rolled my ankle.
We're dancing, but
Get him.
my dance partner underage.
That's father-daughter dance.
Okay. Get out of here, youngin'.
Small school. She's as big as I thought she would have been, but she's all right. She's all right. Got the youngin' in the bunch. Let's see if there's some bigger ones in there, but she don't make the cut. She ain't going nowhere. Right at the top of the mountain. Hard part of the mountain. Hooks are in the hard part of the mountain. That's a hook set. Tribute.
Here, right on. They came right off at the top too.
Skirt. Caught her at 30 feet away. You came out trying to go back in. You ain't going back.
Look at her ass.
I ain't gonna let them bully you. Okay. another one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pluck them.
They coming from far too. Like,
Huh?
I said they swimming way off of the pile to come get it too. That's nice one too.
Thank God you did. That's what it is. I'm like, oh, that's gonna hurt. I'm moving.
Don't worry about today. Oh, that's right there. Oh no, it's what it is. I just really like catching big fish for little baits. So.
I'm catching little baits, little fish right now. My second dink. Going out here, don't Ooh.
Yeah. Get your mouth open.
Came back here. Get on back. Well, that's gonna do it. I got a shimmy.
Oh no.
I got the shimmy.
Got the shakes?
I said it like it was a fish. I got the shimmy.
He's got the sugar shakes, y'all.
Yep.
Oh. You're trying to poop on the boat. Keep that off the side, boy.
That's your split shot right there? Oh, that's the one you took off. Last few times I come out, if I'm gonna tie one line, I'm gonna tie two.
That little fella. You're swimming with me, huh?
She ain't that little. It's gonna be 10, ain't she?
Yeah, but it was swimming with me.
Oh. She was faking you out.
Might be one of them newbies. Just came through. She looked like the other ones. She came on the new fish. Want your phone?
Who is it?
Don't say.
Unknown number, I ain't answering.
Down there getting mud, but oh.
When I just caught? Oh, when I said it. Get around in traffic. Right when they're on the way. Grab a bite before you leave. Grab a bite before you leave.
Bro, that's 30 already. I don't think you counted too well.
That's 30 right there. All right, we got 2 fish short of a 2-man limit.
I got 2 fish.
Them are counted in the limit.
Oh.
All right, folks, that is going to wrap it up for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Big Play Ray, what you got to say? What you got to say?
Man, it was pretty finicky. It's an inside joke. Nah, they was biting pretty good. I mean, it's you know, weekend, little traffic, little wreck boaters. But
and the wind.
oh yeah, the wind. So for people that think that you know, the wind can be your friend, it's just make it difficult. But clearly, they biting.
They biting.
But yeah, had a good time.
So, folks, you can see here, somebody got some cleaning to do. I'm probably only going to, y'all know I don't like to keep any more than 10, 15 fish because I'm lazy. I don't want to clean all that. And I got people who want some. So, as always, folks, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. My GoPro is tripping on me, so I got to record this on my phone. Leaves those comments. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with.
And this was the major villain of the day. What color is that?
Yep.
Yeah, and this is chicken dinner. Crappie
Is that
bait.
chicken dinner?
Well, it's pretty close.
Okay.
Yeah, so you know, crappie based by CMI does it again.
Again and again.
Put us in there. Yeah.
So we're catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Big play. We out of here.